This is Roopan, the man in the wild. And in today's episode, we are going to explore this hidden gem while we are celebrating Sandeep's 14th birthday. Stay tuned for that.
Mellisa, I never know you were so tall in real life, you know.
Yeah, boy, I taller than you.
I-
It's only as we stand up side by side I realize this.
Yeah, I watching your videos all these years,
Yeah.
and I always thinking Mellisa was normal height. Oh, look at the height of Mellisa.
Yeah,
Look
but-
at
we sell out. I got back on normal level there. I actually am higher than you, but you're still the level. You are on a lower level, but you're still taller than me. You're still taller than me. Yeah.
she was cheating. She was cheating.
Yeah. Thank you for having us and thank you for inviting us to spend the day with you and the family. I'm really enjoying it. I'm in awe. I'm very, very happy. I'm grateful. I never knew this spot. I never knew such a wonderful place existed in Trinidad. Right in my back door. By my back door, my back step.
This is a hidden gem,
Yes.
and so little amount of people know here.
Yeah.
When you come here, it's almost never occupied.
Yeah.
So you always have all the space to yourself.
Yeah.
It's a lovely, lovely venue.
Yeah.
And you all will see and enjoy with us.
Sorry, yeah? Sorry about that. Yeah.
So you all is going to see and enjoy
Yeah.
our adventure today.
Yeah, we have food, we have music, we have family, and we are going to have a lot of fun.
So the entire family is here and we are going to have a good day.
Don't go nowhere. Stay right here with us.
Don't go nowhere. You better not.
Oh my goodness!
So when you all come to make a visit here, this is the person all you're looking for.
Hi guys, welcome to Kita Enterprises. Have a look around.
Right, will do. Thank you.
This hidden gem is called Invita Enterprises, and it's located in Kelly Village, Caroni. So if ever you want to take a little staycation or a weekend getaway, you can contact Invita Enterprises. I will leave a link in the description for you to be able to contact them. You all have an idea what I'm looking for here, and it's not coconuts. I'm the man in the wild, and where they are, I will find them. Invita Enterprises is a wonderful mix between the hospitality and nature. And when you are here, you will get to enjoy both. There are multiple green iguanas upon these coconut trees that you see here. This location is one of my family's more common getaways because of the mix of hospitality and nature. We enjoy it a lot. So who knows, when you visit, you just might meet myself and my family. For today, instead of booking a room at the hotel, we will be booking the pool facilities and one of these huts. The hotel has quite a few of these huts that you can use for outdoor activities. We are going to have a barbecue today.
We have a pukani, we gotta use the lungs. Catch man, take catch man.
Although you see me getting the cold pot started, Mellisa is the cold pot expert, and she is the one who is really going to get this going. And in a few minutes' time, we had fire under the coals. In a moment, we will be ready to barbecue. Because we are in Kelly Village, close to the Piaco Airport, this is a common sight you will see when at this location.
I love mustard.
Makes
It's gonna
sense.
look orange like a sriracha or something. I like how it's marbling in like marble cake. Remember a long time when you used to make marble cake? But you never make marble cake?
I eat marble cake.
Right, that's what they used to do. They used to take out some of the batter and put your chocolate or your coloring or whatever.
And then add it back in.
Yeah, in dollops.
That is seasoning.
Yeah, boy, I like how you add the seasoning on top of it.
Pandanya seasoning. You need to get turkey. Turkey scarce right now.
I don't remember you telling me that.
The turkey will get in slices like fish.
Ooh, you hear that sizzle already? Skin side dog. You can try a couple skin side there. Skin side dog? Right. Right.
Yeah.
So we do it, we have a combination.
Let me just tell you.
Yeah.
2 by 2.
Yeah, man.
This property is littered with a variety of fruit trees. This particular fruit tree is a kaimet tree, and August is flowering time for kaimet. This is a very young purple gallinule. Although it has the size of its parents, its feathers have not grown in fully as yet, and its color has not come in. This dull color helps it to camouflage in the underbrush. Mellisa, the cold pot specialist, has taken over the barbecue.
Go catch again, boys. See how fast the coals catch back up? So what I do in here, aloe on the stove. Aloe on the stove.
Indian from long time.
Long time. Long like same vine. Hey, just gonna give this a few seconds again, and then I'll take these over. You notice it started to smell different when I take over.
And my little sister Merlin is also getting involved in the barbecue.
How much is pay for this?
Robbie, my brother-in-law, is a professional DJ, and he is the one handling the music for us today. And this is the adult purple gallinule. It pulls the grass down so it will get a better placement for its feet. This bird is called the wattled jacana. It is one of the many bird species that you would see here at this resort. The wattled jacana feeds on insects and young shoots that grow in the swamp area.
Happy birthday, Sandeep. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Happy birthday, boy.
La 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 la. La 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 la. They want to pick one of my cherry, right?
And after a long day of cooking, eating, and partying, we relax for the rest of the afternoon in this lovely pool.